Getting crushed 2s this morning. Back on site. Got the fabric here. Got a load of crushed 2s. Gonna throw the fabric down. Dump the whole load right in that hole. All right, that load should take care of both those pads. Go grab another load and that will give me the top pad in this middle and sprinkle some in here. This is 3 pads here, so again, we got to dig out all this right here, so I can only go to here with the stone for now. Here the wind is picking up. Gotta throw it on the fabric up here. All right, fabric's all placed in all spots. Ready to dump some stone. inches all the way around. Get it close by eye, then we'll shoot everything. Get you 6 inches around your perimeter, and then it gets another 6 inches in the center, which that becomes your Alaskan slab. So you'll have a 12-inch haunch. Disappears fast when you're blowing it in thick. I'll tell you that. Okay, got my 6-inch base. I'm going to put the center in, up another 6 inches. Then I still could plate tamp all the way around the haunch and the center. So total will only be a foot. Plenty good for compaction with a plate tamper. The orange marks, the inside ones are my haunch, and the outside ones would be where the board goes. So you want to put the stone to the inside. I raise the laser, or drop the laser 6 inches. That will give me my grade as soon as we go to shoot. Here we go. Nice and easy. Let her trickle in. You can do it in a couple passes, just so you can control it. Make sure you got the stick. Dusty and dry, but I'm not going to complain. And this is close. Obviously, I'm not making it exact to the haunch because I want to be able to fine tune it after and have my boards fit. I gave myself a little room. Let's angle this up. Alright, as you see, I got that haunch that pad all roughed in, haunch all the way around, 12-inch haunch, and then it steps up 6 more inches with a 6-inch top. Not compacted yet. Going for the second one now. Got the layout. Throwing it in. A lot of obstacles. I got a manhole behind me, so I can't get square with it. Alright, on the last pad, 2 pads here. Just gonna throw this in the 6 inches of depth. Gotta be 2 inches down from that top joint. The first block, the bottom block, 2 inches down. That will give me my 6 inches depth because that is an 8-inch block. We'll stay away from the spot over to the right. We gotta dig that footer for the wall. All right, 85 degrees and 3 o'clock, and I might split the gate. I gotta get the KENWORTH's gotta get a little treat. So a stone base in there. It's not the height or nothing. This one's real low. That's half, and that's half, obviously we know that. Temporary walkways going in. These get all blacktop and they're twice as wide. Just put this in case a emergency happens, they could jump out and get out. That pad's roughed in and this pad's roughed in. And again, these right here are where my boards go. This will be a haunch. Step up 6 inches and it'll be a 6-inch slab with a 6-inch step coming into the house. 4,000-pound cement, air entrained with fiber mesh, reinforced with wire. So these things are pretty much bulletproof when they're done. getting all the grades. As you can see, everything's cut major. We cut everything down. And once they get 4 inches on there, then we'll have 12 inches below the sill after the topsoil's in. Those stairs got to get ripped out at some point. Waiting to hear back on the precast company. But then we get a 6-inch base all through here for the sidewalks. We'll just put regular fabric down for that, filter fabric, and throw that base in, and yada yada yada. It's coming together though for day 4. I mean, this is really 3.5 days working here. Knocked it out. Just for a recap, in case the ones that are just joining this video for the first time and I haven't been following the project, make sure you go back and look at the project from the beginning. But these are the pads we're putting in. Everything in pinkish is these slabs that I got the raised stone in. Yellow is going to be sidewalks that are blacktop that we already ripped out. There's the set of stairs we just looked at. Over here is the grading, which is right there. And that's the scope right there. We still got to rip out this chunk of blacktop right here, right on the other side of that caution tape. And then there's a storm sewer or storm water right there, where so we cut this grade a little bit more to get everything to go out. Back on site. Got the tamping going in, getting prepped up here. Got the stone piles. New guy Austin. Hitting the base and then going right up on top. All right, laying out the wall here. We got to be 1 foot off existing. My orange marks right over there is the wall. It's 1 foot off that jog, and then it will boom 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 about 14 foot out, 1 foot past this patio. Getting that laid out now. Got to expose that conduit and get that footing installed, so when we pour these pads, which you see those are all formed up. Got the wire, got the rebar, got the chairs, got chairs for the rebar, and we'll also pick that rebar up. 2 pads already there, and we got, so when I pour that, the excess, I'll order an extra yard and pour that. So I was asked to show some pads from previous years, so let's do that. Well, it's got to be sneaky because, you know, people live here, so let's see what we got. So this whole section here was done, and it's basically the same thing over there, but we got 2 stub walls in here. These are your 12 inches. You can see the grade has dropped severely. These are all new sidewalks that we put in. But what's impressive is because of all the stone, there's a stub wall. This is the same kind of wall we're going to put in there with weeps for drains, and you can see there's no shrinkage crack at all, even against here. Nothing moves. Pretty impressive the way it's designed. There's another stub wall with the 3 weeps in it, and these walls, and now this is almost 8 years old, this patio. You see how the walls are jogged, and they jog here, and they keep all this clear, and they fill this with stone, and this is where it was rotted on the one that we're doing now. So you see the jog. And then the privacy fences go back up. But we did these, like I said, 8 years ago. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, and the top one, I believe, I don't know if I did that top one. Yeah, that was already done by someone else. This one was done years ago. So that's that. Simple, easy, but they're built. They are built. Wire, rebar, 4,000 pound PSI. Air and trained with fiber mesh. All right, we're getting it exposed. Paint your lines as you go, so you don't hit them. I'm just gonna ride the top of this bank so we can dig it more. We're hand digging a lot of it. There's everything buried in here: concrete, blocks, wood, which isn't good. Just cave it in. Nice and easy. All right, footing's all dug, stone in the bottom, all notched out. Be ready to go. Just waiting when we go to get concrete to pour the other ones. So I'm getting a lot of requests and asks on this tilt bucket. You see it tilts with the forks too. It's just an attachment between the machine and the bucket or forks or whatever you want to use. It works with everything. So if you're out of level on a pallet, so easy. Or you want to grab one fork in a corner, pulling out this slab here. They're coming out nice and nice. Blacktop's all out. We're gonna need to grab this other pad in between the wall. Nice, right there. Like a glove. Oh, big piece coming out. Big piece coming out. We're gonna have to break this one. To break itself. Perfect. Last piece, sliding it out. It's a big one. Oh yeah. Just take it and lift it up and drop it on itself. Oh, so nice. So nice. I'll break all that up with the excavator a little bit more before we load it out. Tomorrow in that dump trailer, I got the kid coming again. At the end of the day, got both formed up, expansion in there. Just got to put the wire mesh in, which we'll do that the day we pour for safety reasons. Looking good.